Hi, my name is June. I'm a mixologist from the JW Marriott South Beach. Today, I'm going to make one of my signature cocktail called Primadonna. This cocktail was inspiration from one of my guests who actually really working hard, but every time when she visit me for drinks, she get really exhausted from work. So, I'm going to make really invigorating cocktail for her. First, I'm going to add 30 ml of the Campari, which is one of the oldest bitter liqueur from Italy. And very high proof American whiskey, White Turkey 101, 30 ml as well. And for extra crispy freshness flavor, I'm gonna add Pinot Grigio, one of the really generous white wine from Italy. And this is one of the key flavor for this Primadonna cocktail. It's called pomegranate shop, which is mixing with the fresh pomegranate juice and the balsamic vinegar. Pomegranate is actually really healthy. It has a lot of good mineral and vitamin. It's good for ladies. And the last one, for extra Italian touch, I'm gonna add 10 ml of basil syrup. Before I mix this drink, I'm gonna give a little stir and then taste. I think it's good to go. Add some ice. Alright. Pour into the glass. And gonna get a nice chunk ice. Give some more character of this Primadonna cocktail. I'm gonna add few fresh pomegranate. And fresh basil. Alright, that's it. Primadonna, enjoy!